I'm Tina Hanlon. I'm the bridal show coordinator for the Antelope Valley Fairgrounds. Our bridal show is the 9th annual bridal show. This is very exciting that we're having this wedding from the Boulevard happen this year. Our show's open from 12 to 5. It's free to the public, $5 to park. The brides and grooms come in. We have everything from limos to formal wear. So not only will the couples that are entering be able to go and see the participants from the association, but not everybody can win, only one couple can win, so there'll be other vendors there for them to choose from. So come out, it's a fun day. There's free food, there's cakes, there's, like I said, everything that you could possibly think of for your wedding. So thank you very much. And January 13th is the bridal show. Also go to avfair.com for more information, and for the contest you can go to theboulevardwedding.com. Thank you. Thank you to you.